Welcome back. You're watching us here on Trading Hour, and here's the F&O desk. So what are we looking at right now? The market is currently at the lower end of today's trading range, virtually at the low point of trade for the Nifty. Now, from yesterday's high, it's corrected about 300 points, so just watch out for that one. The mid-cap index too, marginally in the red right now. And what is at the high point of today's trading session so far is the India VIX, which would come up for you up around 2.5%. And that's actually ahead of the weekly options expiry. And market breadth too, firmly in favor of declines. Where that moves, something that we will be tracking as we move along the course of today's trading session so far. Just keep an eye out on a few of these buzzing stocks. We have GSPL, which is doing well. Balkrishna Industries is doing well. Birlasoft and MRF. So a couple of these tire makers and a few of them which actually get their revenues in dollars. So all those counters are fairly well bid today. But the interesting part is from the options side. On the way up, there is definitely strong supply. 26,100 call writers, fairly active in today's trading session, premium of 24 rupees. So immediately about 26,100 is where the supply is likely to come by. 4.7 crore shares outstanding on that strike. But at the lower levels, if you look at the 26,050 put, there has been a big jump in the price of that option as the market moved lower. It's a 48% jump. Moments ago, it was 24%. So all these guys have made their money. At what point they book will be extremely crucial to track. The 26,000 put, on the other hand, was mostly in the red for today's trading session and now just has seen an 80 paisa up move, which tells you that there is still some selling at the 26,000 put, which implies that there is support at around 26,000 even as the markets moved fairly lower. So those are a couple of levels that we'll be watching out for. And then there is a pair trade which is taking place in the PSU bank space, fresh longs in Union Bank, whereas a lot of shorts added in Indian Bank. So those are a couple of stocks we'll watch too. Actually, we'll take a short break, come back, keep an eye out on the markets.